Oh, Namo Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. I am given Diksha by Sringeri Swamigal, Sri Vidya Bharat Saraswati. My Diksha name is Vishweswarananda Saraswati. Okay, I studied Vedas, came to Kasi for last 7 years in the Anaprastha, now took the Sannyasa. In Vedam, Vedic Sabdam is the Bhagavan itself. Bhagavan's Swasam is Veda. Veda Sabdam is decade for the universe, and Chaturvarnam has been created by Paramatma, Brahman, Kshatram, Vaishyam and Sudram. Brahman karma is to study Veda, recite Veda, teaching Veda to others, doing yajna and doing yajna for others, getting pratigriham, that is dhanam, giving dhanam to others, Kshat karma. So Vedic Sabdam is most positively energy Sabda. It creates all positive Sabda and it drives away the negative energy in the world, so that the people can live in peace. Peace is something different. Maybe somebody may be having very good wealth, food, etc. But health is not assured. So Vedic Sabdam is completely important. That job is given to Brahman. And Brahman are supported by kings. After independence, there is no king. So only other Varnas is helping the Brahman who is doing the Vedic rituals, Vedic recital, Vedic teaching, etc. This, and they should be given support by Dakshina, Bhojan, etc. The Devata Swarupam is Brahman. Agnirvai Devataha, Apovai Devataha, Brahmanovai Devataha. This is Sruti Vakyam. Through Agni, through water, through Brahman, the Devas are worshipped and they were given their dues. Through Yajna, through Tapas, etc. Devas are satisfied when you support the Brahman who is doing the Vedic recital, Vedic study, Vedic teaching, etc. So I understand, I know Sir Avikalpa, he is doing a very good job. He has studied Vedas. He is also teaching Veda. He wants to create some sort of organization from where they can, the sannyasis, brahmacharis and Vedic scholars are fed. So he needs a financial support and food support also. It is not begging. Begging is not about in Sanatana Dharma. In Sanatana only Bhiksha. Bhiksha is given by the Grihasthas to sannyasis and brahmacharis. But Grihasthas are fed food and dakshina. From which they run their livelihood. For one's own livelihood, small amount of dakshina, small amount of food is sufficient. Whereas this gentleman who has started an organization to feed others, Sishyas, etc., he needs very good financial support from Grihasthas and other charitable organizations. He can be given dakshina, and the phalam of this karma will be not measurable. You will feel the phalam of karma in your own life. So kindly encourage such kind of activities. In South India, the Vedic parampara is continued because the Muslim rule was not there in the south. Because of Krishnadevaraya, west due to Chhatrapati Shivaji and Ranas. Whereas unfortunately, in North India and East India, there were no king to resist the Muslims. So our Vedic system has been disturbed. Now at least there are efforts to bring back that Vedic scholar or Vedic life, way of life. So I have pleasure to know that Mr. Vikalpa is doing an attempt in this direction. He deserves to be encouraged. Kindly contribute your mighty, whatever possible, for this noble cause. And I wish him all success in his attempt.